So let me show you how to find the inverse of 2 by 2 matrix. So first, if A it is equals to what? A, V, C, and what? And D. So to find the inverse of what? 2 by 2 matrix. So you have to what? You have to swap the A and what? A and D. It will become D and it will become what? A. And therefore the V and what? C, you have to introduce what? Negative sign minus B and what? Minus C. So therefore, we are looking for what? A inverse. So therefore, our new A inverse will be equals to 1 over the determinant of this matrix. What is the determinant of this matrix? If we are going to find the determinant of this matrix, A multiplied by D, I will have AD minus, so minus C multiplied by minus B, I will have positive what? Positive BC. And therefore, this is what the determinant of this matrix. So I have to put AD minus what? Minus BC. So then I have to multiply by what? I have to multiply by what? By this matrix, which is what? D minus B minus C and what? And A. So therefore, this is the general formula that you can use to find what? The inverse of what? 2 by 2 matrix.